Hello and welcome to SigmaXL video tutorials. In this video, we demonstrate the use of empirical normal CDF plots in SigmaXL. The empirical normal CDF, or cumulative distribution function plot, shows the data values sorted from lowest to highest on the x-axis with the respective percentages on the y-axis, and may be compared against the same for the fitted normal distribution. It is similar to the normal probability plot, but instead of a straight line, it will form an S-shaped curve. The empirical data is plotted as a blue stepped line, whereas the fitted normal distribution is shown as a smooth red line. Large deviations between the two indicate that the data are not normally distributed. We will begin by generating normal random data. Click SigmaXL, Data Manipulation, Random Data, Normal. Enter mean 100 and standard deviation 25. Click OK. Rename the column heading to Normal Data. First, we'll create a histogram of this data. Click SigmaXL, Graphical Tools, Basic Histogram. Check Use Entire Data Table and click Next. Select Normal Data and click Numeric Data Variable Y. Click Finish. A histogram of the normal data is displayed. We can see that the data appears to be normally distributed. Now we will look at the empirical normal CDF plots. Click the SigmaXL Random Data Sheet. Click SigmaXL, Graphical Tools, Empirical Normal CDF Plots. Check Use Entire Data Table and click Next. Select Normal Data. Click Numeric Data Variables Y. Ensure Display Normal CDF Plots is checked. Note that empirical normal CDF plots permit multiple Y variables. If more than one Y is selected, group category X is grayed out. Click OK. An empirical normal CDF plot of the simulated random data is produced. The empirical CDF plot follows the normal CDF fairly well, indicating that the data is normally distributed. Now we will demonstrate the empirical normal CDF plot tool on the familiar customer data dataset. Click Help, Sample Data, then find the file customerdata.xlsx. Click SigmaXL, Graphical Tools, Empirical Normal CDF Plots. Check Use Entire Data Table. Click Next. Select Overall Satisfaction and click Numeric Data Variables Y. Ensure Display Normal CDF Plots is checked. Click OK. An empirical normal CDF plot of the overall satisfaction data is produced. The empirical CDF plot does not follow the normal CDF well, indicating that the data is not normally distributed. The empirical curve hits 100% at overall satisfaction equals 5, since that was the maximum possible survey value, resulting in a skewed left distribution. This can also be seen in a histogram of the data. Now we would like to stratify the customer satisfaction score by customer type. Click Recall SigmaXL dialog or press F3. Select Customer Type and click Group Category X. Click OK. Empirical normal CDF plots of overall satisfaction by customer type are produced. As we saw with the ungrouped data, we can see that the empirical CDF plot for customer type 2 does not follow the normal CDF well, indicating that the data is not normally distributed. The empirical curve hits 100% at overall satisfaction equals 5, since that was the maximum possible survey value, resulting in a skewed left distribution as seen in the histogram of the customer data. Customer types 1 and 3 are hard to interpret, so we would use normal probability plots and normality tests to complement these plots to assess normality. Empirical CDF plots may also be compared against each other by using Excel's copy and paste for the graphs. This concludes the tutorial video for empirical normal CDF plots. For more videos, visit www.sigmaxl.com or join us on YouTube. Thank you for watching.